Alright, what the heck? What is this? YouTube. Okay, YouTube. I don't remember how to do this. Okay. Pin chat, you can now pin a message. Alright, what is happening? Alright, let me open VTube Studio. What is happening? What is... Oh god, alright. Oh, we have no music. There's no music. Let me open Spotify. Hold on. Spotify audio time. Spotify can't play this right now. Okay, alright. Alright. How do I get rid of this? New pin chat, you can now pin a chat. Interact. Got it. Okay, alright, look at that. How do I scroll up? What is this? This is messed up. This is absolutely... It's hecked up. I don't even have like the thing in my sidebar where I can show the Twitch chat. Okay, let me open up a doc YouTube chat. Okay, there it is. And then I have to, every time like on YouTube, you have to update the URL every single time for your overlays. I'm trying to apply. Okay, I've applied the config. Okay, now you can pin a chat. Okay, alright, we got let me post about this on Twitter. Okay, I'm gonna say streaming on YouTube today because Twitch broke. Because Twitch broken. This is messed up. How do people use it? How do people stream on this website? Also, why is the sheep still here? What is the fish is still here? All right. Anyway, some background. Sheep is gone. Destroyed sheep. Oh, you can't even do the redeems anymore. The bonk redeems. This is weird. Anyway, some context behind what's going on here. I tried streaming on Twitch today. Normally on Wednesdays I do my VR fishing stream. So I was in VR. I tried playing it. VR failed to start, so I had to like restart my computer. There was like some driver issue or something. And then I was like, okay, all right, we can start the stream now, right? I clicked start streaming. It would get stuck. It just got stuck on like connecting. It's like, oh god, what happened this time? It waited like a minute and then it said your stream key is not valid. Make sure you're not logged into multiple instances or whatever. It's like, I'm pretty sure I'm not. And then I closed OBS, I reopened it. It didn't work. I restarted my computer another time. And then I logged out of Twitch in OBS. I re-authenticated. I was still in VR this whole time, by the way. I was browsing my desktop through VR. I pulled up my phone and then I, entered the authentication code, connected my account again. And then I was just like, okay, this should work now, right? I connected again. And then Twitch just kept saying, connecting. And then I would say, we couldn't connect your stream key is wrong. And then I took off my VR headset and then I tried streaming again and then it didn't work. And then I checked Twitter. I saw there was like a Twitter thread. I looked at Twitch support. They're like, oh yeah, we had some issues 3 hours ago, but they're fine. We fixed them. Everything's fine. And then I looked at the quote retweets, and there's a bunch of people saying, no, you did not fix it. It's still an issue. Let me show the tweet. Let me add a browser source. Browser. Here we go. Ignore that one. Look at this. Here's Twitter. Look. Oh, we resolved the connectivity issue. Sorry about that. Users should now be able to start streams. And then I click the quote retweets. Oh, you can't even see. Okay. You have to log in. Alright, you can't see it. But there's a bunch of people saying, no, it's not fixed. It's absolutely not fixed. So, we're on YouTube today. Hello. This is weird. I haven't streamed on YouTube since like around April Fool's Day. It's been like 4 months. We got people here. We got Duck. It's not even eat a duck I must. Your name's literally just Duck here. Alright, let me greet people. Hello, Shima Panic. Johan Bolding. Suzuki. There's some people. I don't know if you guys are in you guys even watch my Twitch channel? I know there's a bunch of people that used to watch me on YouTube. And then when I started streaming on Twitch, they never joined. Oh, Denchi's here. Amflow. Lofke, your name's spelled differently here. It's Lofke. Caleb Harris. Caleb Harris is still here. No emotes. I have emotes. You can pin. Hello, Flying Penguin. Microjack. Dude with glasses. Zykes. Membership. Oh, shoot. I forgot I had memberships. I have memberships on this website. That's true. Do we even know that's the same person? We don't. There's no way to verify. Also, dang, this what is this? I didn't configure YouTube to use like Karagi's new animations. Right, when people sub on Twitch, I have the Karagi animations. I didn't configure for YouTube because I didn't think I'd ever come back here. I just use my YouTube as VODs. Well, thank you for joining membership. It costs like $1 a month. I still have like a lot of people subscribed via membership on YouTube. I'm just like, you don't get anything. You don't get anything from doing this. Why are you still here? There's at least like 30 something people. But it's probably like, oh yeah, it's like $1 a month. So they're like, whatever, it's fine. I can pay $1. And then when I start streaming, what if they see the stream and you're like, oh shoot, yeah, Walfie still exists. I'm gonna stop being a member of his stream because he never streams on YouTube. Anyway, this was supposed to be a VR fishing stream, but, you know, things aren't working, so we're gonna do something else. I don't know what we're gonna do. We can do a just chatting stream where we can chat. I haven't been in this room in quite a while. I remember Walfie. Remember this guy? I remember. Hello, Sebastian. Look, we have the text gets highlighted because I'm logged in. This is so weird. I haven't been on here in such a long time. How's the new job? I don't start until next Wednesday. Hello, Escapade. Roaches crawling? There's no roaches. What do you mean? This is the royalty-free Okumono house. Look, there's nothing under here. I got the ice cream. It's been here for months. It's fine. It doesn't expire. There's no expiration date. Also, what, like, you know when things expire? They have like a best buy date. Like they're like, this food is best by this certain date. But that's not like an expiration date, right? It's just like, when does it actually expire? Can they answer that? I saw like Finana had a Twitter post that was like, she was eating like Nutella or something. And then she said, it was best by sometime last year. And everyone was just like, no, it's fine. It's just a suggestion. It's a best buy. Best buy and sell by. But like they have those, but they don't actually have like an actual expiration date. It's like, what's up with that? Too many variables. I mean, they could have like a cutoff, right? They could say after this date, definitely don't get it. I don't know. I don't know, man. What's up with this? It's weird. What if, can I like load up like a fake phishing background? What is that website? Irastoya? Do they have phishing backgrounds? Irastoya. What if I put Twitch chat still on screen? I could do that, right? I could put both YouTube and Twitch chat, and then multiple people could say things. Test. Alright, we have both YouTube and Twitch chat. If you want to use your emotes, you can fight each other. Okay, YouTube chat. Hold on, how do I... Oops. Hello? Here's YouTube chat on the left. Here's, look, Denchi's there, multi-chat. Yeah, you can talk. I'll read both chats. Nice. Hello, Master Menace. Oh, look, you're fighting each other. Could be left out in the sun. Oh yeah, that's true. It assumes you refrigerate stuff. Okay, let me add a label. I'm gonna put a text label. Here it is. Labels. YouTube. And then Twitch. Oh. Oh man, look at that. Could probably add more spaces. There, look at that. Let me change the color, make it more readable. Make it black. Whoa, we got the gradient. Okay. You can make it like, whoa, look at that. Yeah, this. Yo, look at that. You can be in both chats. Hello, Master Menos. Imagine not being blue YouTube. I put a window with YouTube next to one with Twitch right next to each other. This is multi-stream drifting. Actually, I think I saw a thing. They said that Twitch partners are going to make it so that you can stream on both YouTube and Twitch. Like, not at the same time, though. Right? They said... Typically, if you're a partner on Twitch, you're only allowed to stream on Twitch as your primary platform. And then I think yesterday or like two days ago or sometime this week, they announced, oh yeah, partners, you can now, if you want to stream on YouTube sometimes, you can do it. And I think it was a reaction to a bunch of people leaving. Right? Wasn't like, what's his name, Ludwig? Didn't Lily Pichu also leave Twitch? I saw one of her streams was titled "My Last Stream on Twitch." And so maybe they're like, oh no, a bunch of people are leaving. What if we make it so that they can both stream on YouTube and Twitch? And so maybe that's what they're trying to do. I don't know, people are kind of suspicious of it. They had some fine print. Apparently you can multi-stream on platforms like TikTok, but not YouTube. Yeah, that's what I read. Yeah, you can stream on TikTok. Why would you want to stream on YouTube over Twitch? You have super chats. I guess on YouTube, if people want to send super chats, they can do so. Well, I mean, bits on Twitch is also a thing, but it's like less of a thing, I guess. I don't know. YouTube discoverability of VODs. YouTube is partnering with them. With Twitch? Oh, or TikTok? Some people might have a decent YouTube audience, yeah. Like me. Look, I'm streaming on YouTube. I'm on YouTube, guys. Hello. It's like a offline chat. Oh, thank you for the look at we got the Karagi spin. Yeah, that's new. We got the Karagi spin. YouTube super stickers. Yeah, I see one person fully moved to YouTube from Twitch. I noticed one other person moved to Twitch. I don't know. It depends. I've seen a bunch of people. YouTube gave an exclusivity contract to Ludwig Lillepeach. Well, who else has moved? Also, what the heck is this? This CSS is messed up. Thank you, thank you, Zykes, for the super chat. Oh yeah, one thing about I have the what is it? I have the super chat fish. Okay, Twitch has the spinning Walfie by Karagi. YouTube has the super chat fish. I don't know if this still works. I think it still works. Streamer incentivizing you to donate on YouTube. You can have emotes. Oh yeah, but YouTube doesn't have animated emotes. What's up with that? You can't even see this name. It says Zykes, but like the outline is so thick, you can't see it. Also, I don't miss having to like come up with thumbnails on Twitch or on YouTube. Like I was setting up this stream and then they were like, oh yeah, you gotta set up a thumbnail, and it's like, oh shoot. Let me just add a thumbnail right now. What thumbnail should I use? Let me look at my pictures folder. I'll add, oh yeah, I can add the new the Karagi dance. Here we go. We got the thumbnail. People will see this on YouTube and be like, what the frick, Walfie streaming? I didn't know Walfie streamed. Camflow makes thumbnails for Twitch? What? Oh yeah, I see that. That feels like a lot of effort. Does Walfie name still go red in mere mentions of his name? Yeah. On YouTube? Because I'm logged in. Upside down, so I'm breakdancing. I could go upside down. Look at that. Yeah, thank you for the super fat. I combined super chat and fish. Super fat. Alright. Well, we can talk about things. This is a fishing stream. Look at that. Oh yeah, I forgot I was going to thank you Zykes for the subscription on Twitch. It's got a different animation. You guys see that? It has a heart. Yeah, Wolf's. No, it doesn't work. You have to do an @ symbol on Twitch. You got the breakdancing cat sus. Okay, I was going to look up, let's see, on what was the website? Irastoya? Yeah. I was gonna make this a fishing stream, a fake fishing stream. Like, I don't even fish on my fishing streams that much anymore. Okay, let me look up fishing. I need like a royalty-free lake background. Oh, I guess it doesn't work. It doesn't work on here. What if I just take like a screenshot? Yeah, take a screenshot of my last VR fishing stream, and then just pretend that we're VR fishing today. Here, let me go to my YouTube. Okay, here we go. We're going to the video. I'm gonna take a 720p screenshot. There we go. There we go. Let's take a screenshot. Let's see, screenshots. Fishing.png. Everybody pretend to be impressed with Walfie's latest catch. No, okay, let me add an image. An image fishing, fake fishing. And then we'll look for the file. We're looking for the file. Screenshots, fishing.png. Yo, I'm pogging in this screenshot. Look at this low resolution fishing screenshot. Here, you can maybe crop this out. Crop this out. Can I do this? Yo, look at that. I'll put chat right here. This is where you usually go in the fishing streams. I'll move this over. Okay, it's kind of hard to read actually. Okay, I'll do it like this. Yeah, I'm outsmarting the system, everyone. Okay, thank you for the subscription. Palette missing. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna put myself over here. Whoa, look at that. It's like I'm actually there. Yeah. Oh man. Oh wait, this doesn't work. No, this is fine. Look at this. It's like I'm actually there. Whoa. I got my VR headset on and everything. Actually, this should be smaller. There we go. Here we go. Whoa, look at that. What else do I need? Yeah, let's put the super chat fish. Hold on, this fishing should go down. Okay, there's the fish. Yo, look, it's the fish. Get all the, wait, I could hide the background. Hold on. This is such a mess. Okay. Let me add, I'm gonna add the browser source. Add existing. Full screen super chat fish. We'll hide this fish. Oh, look at that. They're all here. They're in the boat. The fish are in the boat. Oh no. There. Look at that. Whoa, they're taking over. I'm fishing for super chats. Oh, you can see it. Look, they're gonna spawn eventually. The money is gonna. Oh, look at that. Oh, look. Do you see that fish? It fell in. We got the message. Interactive fish. Yeah, I'm actually there. We got multiple hand flows in both chats. Sorry, don't look at that. How do I hide the Haagen-Dazs? There we go. Oh, okay. Thank you for the super chat, Zykes. It feels so weird saying that. Thank you for the super chat. Instead of saying thank you for the sub or whatever. The gifted subs. Alright, well. What are we talking about today? Oh yeah, I'm fishing. Oh, look at this. I caught a fish. Look at that fish. I got a big fish. Put it in the cooler. Wow, that's worth like just $5. Nice. Needed to say your name and then thank you. I don't know. I don't do that. I don't do that. Hello, Himo. Welcome back. You're still a member, even though I haven't streamed on YouTube in like 4 months. It's August 24th today. Nice. Alright. How are you guys doing? What's up? What's up with you guys? What's up, dog? What's going on? No emotes. There's emotes. I have emotes. I will forever be a member. Me too. I'm also a member of my own stream. Okay, so I started taking notes recently. It's a bit laggy because I have a bunch of stuff open on I'm streaming in OBS. What a surprise. Hello, TY. Yo, it's TY Onion from YouTube. From YouTube. Twitch is down. Twitching? Streaming on Twitch is not working right now. Actually, let me check the quote tweet. Is it still broken? Are people still saying Twitch is broken? Yeah, last reply 5 minutes ago. I'm gonna assume it's still broken. My notes are laggy. Yeah, my notes app. Twitch, please update us on the situation. I guess the upside of this is that I don't have to post the VOD on YouTube because it's already here. Oh look, they have an update. We are investigating the issue preventing users from going live. Thank you for the reports. Look at that, we got that. I'm going to post that in the YouTube chat because that's where I have it open. Let me also post it in the Twitch chat. People on Twitch. You can see as well. Wow. I saw your tweet about a Notes app committer using your art, and that sounded surreal. Oh yeah, I can talk about that. Yeah, we know it's fricked. Actually, let me show you. I started using this app, this note-taking app called Logseq. Logseq. And then I was going through like their GitHub commit history the other day. And I saw there's like a person there. Actually, let me look it up. Logseq, GitHub. The latest commit at the time. There's a guy who had a Walfie style avatar. Oh, they have a lot of commits going on. It was a very active repository. I just happened to catch it at the time when the most recent commit was someone whose icon I recognized. Here, this one. Look at how do I interact with this window? Yeah, let me put it below the chat. Okay. There's so much going on, right? There's a lot of things happening on the screen right now. Okay, interact. Okay, look at this. Look at that guy. Okay, you can't really see it. What if I put it here? You guys see that? Look at that. That's an edit of one of my driving animations. I saw that. I was like, what the heck? Anyway, that's cool. I recommend using Logseq. I guess I could do a talk. I can do a TED talk right now about the advantages of Logseq. That's gonna be cool. I'll do that. Light theme GitHub. I normally use dark theme, but actually on GitHub, for some reason, dark theme just seems weird to me. Alright, well, let's get rid of... How do I delete this? How do I get rid of the web view? I named it DFSDSGSDSG in my OBS. Okay, I'm gonna open up Firefox. I haven't done one of these streams in a long time. Where I just like have random programs open. Yeah, dark theme GitHub seems weird. Like when you look at the diffs, the color scheme just looks weird. Denchi uses dark theme on Discord, not even on Twitter. You don't even use dark theme on Twitter. I like how dark theme on Twitter has like, it has dark mode and then it has like black mode. It's like, it's dark, but then there's also one that's like completely black, which is good for like phones. Some phones have displays that are actually like, they can show pure black. And it's good. Does Firefox have dark theme? Probably. I'd be surprised if it didn't. Okay, let's look at Logseq. Here. You can also use it in your browser. It's, unfortunately, it's an Electron app. But you know what? That's fine. It's fine. Okay. Firefox. Let's see, where's the window? Firefox window. Oh, there it is. Okay. All right. This I'm gonna like hide the fish for now. It's okay. The fish. Hide this. We're gonna hide the fish. I'm gonna put chat back over here. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to normal. We're gonna do a talk about Logseq. Welcome to my tech talk about Logseq. There we go. Light theme Discord users aren't from this planet though. Does light theme Discord even exist? Like, I think since Discord uses dark theme by default, you have to like go out of your way to change it. But a lot of people like on other sites, I think it's usually light theme is the default. And so it takes some conscious effort to do something else. I like how it looks. Anyway, here's Logseq. This is a demo. This is how they show you how to do stuff. We can edit it. Can we edit this? All right. Changes will not be saved until you open. Okay, no, it does work. Okay. Let me delete all the pages. Journals. Okay. Oh god, just delete everything. Logseq. I think it's pronounced Logseq. Seek as in like sequence. Can I just delete everything? How do I delete everything? Journals. Okay, I'm just gonna backspace through everything. Just let me make a new note. I would screen share like my desktop application, but it has all my real notes in it. And there's like some real notes of real things that happen in real life. Longest time I didn't know it existed. Deleting the website. No, this is local. It's local development. Seriously, how do I delete? Can I delete like a page? All pages. Right click? Okay, I can't right click. You can right click on the desktop app. Oh, you can just delete. Okay. Delete. Can I delete? Delete everything? Oh, right, you can just do this. Okay, we're deleting everything. Journals. Delete the journal. Oh, this is kind of tedious. Oh no, that's fine. This is fine. Wait, I can just delete. Hold on. Oh god. All right. Okay. Here, I'll do this. Okay. All right, this is good. I'm gonna delete this. Okay, so this is Logseq. This is a demo application of Logseq. Let's see, when I first saw it pronounced as Logseq in my head, but Seq makes sense. I've heard people pronounce it multiple ways, but I think Seq makes sense. Like SEQ for sequence. Xing, the people call it road signs. Road signs do have Xing. Animal Xing. Okay, anyway, here's Logseq. This is, wait, there's more stuff down here? Oh, you can't delete this stuff. Yeah, Seq. Anyway, okay. here's Logseq. You know, normally like when you take notes, when you make like a notes app, you're like, okay, I'm gonna have a page for like a to-do app. Wait, can I make a new page in here? Right, the way Logseq works is that you can make references. It's kind of like Wikipedia. And wait, I can't have Twitch. I can't have Twitch chat and YouTube chat open at the same time. Okay, let me move the chat over here. There we go. Okay. So normally you'll have to-do lists, right? Like to do, take out the trash, and like to do, you know, what do people do? Buy groceries. Right? And then you're like, okay, it's time, I'm done with this one, I'm gonna click it, right? Or sometimes you'll have an idea, like, oh yeah, it would be cool, you're like watching a video and you're thinking like, oh, I would like to save this video for later. You can add it to your likes. But you have like, you'll have a, I can't talk. You have a separate page for like, you know, YouTube videos that are good to watch. Oh god, I can't capitalize this. New page, YouTube videos. And then you'll click it, and then you go there, you make a new note like, hey, look at this cool video, right? But the way Logseq works, it's kind of nice. You don't have to make dedicated pages. Everything's in a journal. So if you see something today, you're just like, okay, you say media. Say today today I watched a cool video. Today I watched a cool YouTube video about a bear, right? And then you could link to it, and then like later in the day you're like, okay, I had a meeting. Today I talked with Bob about product, right? And then you're like, okay, and then I have like oh yeah, but I should do this thing. Take out the trash. And then you do something else, and you're like, okay, I'm gonna go, thoughts. Wow, it's hot today. And then later you're like, oh wait, oh yeah, I just have to like go to the store. Right, and you have all this stuff mixed, right? And you're just like, oh man, how am I gonna organize this? Well, the cool thing about Logseq is that these things that I was doing right here with the double tagging, it's like on Wikipedia. When you go on Wikipedia, you can link articles, and so between your notes you can look at all of your to-dos. Here, you go to to-do. Whoa, look, it organized all this stuff for me. That's really cool. You go to your journals and you're like, okay, here's all my meetings, right? Oh look, here's the times I talked about meetings. And so if you have like another day, let's say you have like, you can do /date and do a date picker. Let's say you had a note on August 23rd, right? Go there. These are notes from yesterday, right? Pretend I had notes from yesterday. I guess the demo application doesn't work like this. Normally it'll show you the date before if I started the thing. Okay, but let's do August 25th tomorrow. Sorry. August 25th. We have a note for tomorrow. Hey, this is the next day. Go to journals. Okay, if this was the real app, it would show August 25th above here. But let's say we have notes from here, and then you're like, okay, to do. Still haven't done that thing yet. You have like another to do. Stream on Twitch. Or you can do like Twitch. And look at that, you have notes on different days, but then you go to your to-dos. Bam! You got things from different days. That's really cool. Look at that. And let's feel like using this instead of todo.txt. It's so good, right? I can show some more examples. Okay, you go to your journals, and let's say on this day you had like a different meeting, right? August 25th. Meeting. Spoke with Bob again. He's bad at his job. Right? You're like, oh man, when was all the times I talked about Bob? Click on it. It's like, oh look, I had a meeting on the 25th and the 24th with Bob. I can click on meeting. I can see all of my meetings. It's really cool. Does it handle typos, or is this some sort of autocomplete? It has autocomplete. Actually, does it show up? Yeah, you can see it right here. Search for page. If it doesn't exist, it'll create one. It doesn't actually save it to your file system, but until you actually create something on that page. So let's say like instead of speaking with Bob, you have like a meeting where you spoke with... Oops. Oh god. Okay. You can do a lot of stuff with this. Let me give you an example from my real usage. Right, okay, let's see. Today, I have a section for like work notes. So sometimes I'm like, I do stuff at work. Sometimes I do things at work. I have a section for work. And then I say like, oh yeah, what did I do? I did a presentation on Linkerd. And then I can do a link to it. And then it's like, okay, here's a cool article I saw. And then you do a link to it, like this does markdown. So you can do like cool article. Whoops. And then it goes to google.com. and then it makes a link. You click on it, it brings you to google.com. That's cool. Hello, Ryan. And then some other stuff. So when I stream, right? Sometimes when I stream, I'm like, who did I raid today? You can do streaming. You can do a section for streaming every day you stream. And then I played Cult of the Lamb today. And then at the end of the day, I raided, I don't know, let's say I raided Karagra. She was playing Splatoon, right? And then like these links don't exist. But then if you have more entries on different days, you know, you can click, you see all the times you mentioned streaming. You could see who you raided. Yeah, every day you stream, every day I'm streaming. And then if you wanted to go into it and add more details, you can click on like, you know, this. You say, okay, this is a game where you are a cool lamb. And here's some information about lambs. You can also do references, right? Okay, you go to like, what is a lamb? Let's go define lamb. Okay, a lamb is a young sheep. Okay. Lamb. Young sheep. Okay, but look at this. You can stop doing this. You can go to your journal. You can refer to other pages, other blocks. You're like, when was it? When did I talk about sheep? Do double parentheses. You look up sheep. Oh, look at that. What is that? Gets you a number. Lamb, young sheep. You can refer to things. If you change it in this note, you go back to your journals. Look at that right there. It got changed. Yeah, it's a really useful way to organize documents. When I take notes nowadays, man, I'm just like, man, I wish I could use Logseq. I was writing documentation today for work. And then I was like, I'm just like writing things. I wish I could like make references to stuff. I have Obsidian. I was using Obsidian before this. Obsidian is mostly just like a document based. This thing is called like block based. So each one of these things is a block. If you use a tag, everything underneath it gets inherited with that tag. You can also do queries, right? Okay, let me make like a new page. Test page. In the real UI, you can make pages. This is just like a demo web app. But okay, let me show you the querying system. Okay, so you want to say like, give me all the things where I talked about Bob. And you can and them together. All the times I talked about Bob and meetings. And you load it. I didn't talk about Bob or meetings. Oh, meetings? Did I do meetings? Hold on. Journals. Talked about Bob. Oh, Bob and meeting. Wait, did I do the syntax wrong? Anyway, you can do queries. I forget how to do them. Oh god, how do I edit this? I'd like to edit this. This is better when you're not using it in the browser, by the way. Okay, alright. Oh, it's probably like this. It's probably like that. Yeah, look at that, look. Now we can query all the times we spoke about Bob and meetings. You can do a table view. You can view just this stuff. And so if I were to go back to my thing where I talked about like who I rated and like when, I could have a table of like all the raids I've done. And then I can search when was the last time I rated this person. That's cool. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. What else can you do? You can have hashtags. You could say like journals. So these things are the same as hashtags. The downside of hashtags is that it's annoying for them to be multiple words. This is the same thing. If you click this, it goes to the same page as meetings. Just got to go through your every VOD to document all your raids. Yeah. Also, you can be like, you'll have a random thought like, oh yeah, there's I should discuss this on stream. I had a hashtag discuss, right? And then I'll put this here. And then if I want to see like topics to discuss on stream, I'll click this. And then you can see all of them. If you have a reference on like the 25th, talk about how I still haven't done that thing yet. And then you go to your discussion page. Like, oh man, look, I haven't discussed this thing yet. And then I can talk about it. And also you can have aliases. So I call this page discuss, which is like not the best usage. I optimize it for hashtags. But you put alias. Sorry, if I rename this to like topics to discuss, do I really want to rename it? Look, it changes all the hashtag references. Look at this. They all got changed. Right, but then I can have this be an alias. Do the double colon. Just call it discuss. And then you go back here. You can change this if this is just like discuss. It's a shorthand. It goes to the same place. Check that out. That's cool. I'm about to pass out. I'm enjoying this though, and this will be super useful. Yeah. I'm so excited to talk about it. Like, I've been watching so many YouTube videos of people talking about note-taking. I'm just like, this is stupid. Why would someone spend so much time taking notes and like, instead of actually doing useful things? But then as soon as I started doing it, I was like, holy frick. This is nice. You can just like talk about whatever the heck you want on the page. You don't have to worry about organizing your stuff very well. Right? You don't need a separate page for meetings. You don't need a separate page for whatever. It just keeps track of it for you. You can have your to-dos split across multiple different days. Right? You go on the 25th and you're like, oh, I still have to do this thing. You go to to-do and look, they're all there. Wow. It might work better with my brain than Obsidian. I think so. I used Obsidian before this. I was just like, okay, this is okay, it's fine. And then I learned about this one. Like, this is great. I can just, like, you can just ramble. You don't have to worry about, like, oh, should this go into, like, a separate page? Should I make a different thing about this? It's really good. And there's plugins. There's plugins, you can download them. Let's see, Twitch won't let me make a new account after I deleted my old one. So happy I can finally get a stream. Hello, someone 404. Also, I stopped greeting people. Hello, Stanley. Hello, Shima Panic. Welcome. Welcome to my TED Talk about note-taking apps. I made a tweet about this. Let me look at my Twitter. I said I'm so excited about taking notes. I'm gonna be one of those people that who's so good at taking notes. I'll have so much to say about note-taking, but not actually get anything done. But look, you can also embed a tweet. Look at this. Embed a freaking tweet into your notes. You get the Twitter ID. Embed videos. That's cool. They're like hashtag Twitter. Wait, that's not how you do it. This hashtag Twitter. And then you nest this thing underneath there. And then you can, if you want to see all the Twitter tweets, just click on the Twitter hashtag. There's every time I reference Twitter. That's cool. Right. Hello, Lunashi Madhouse. All my notes are going to be about taking notes. This is just an example. These are my example notes. I have a section for like what I discuss on stream that I can remember. Like things that I have discussed. And then let's look at like the tag for like to discuss, right? Oh, let's say I want to talk about still haven't done that thing yet, right? Let's say I talked about it on stream. If I wanted to say that I did it. I discussed Thing. I'll just look up the word thing. I still haven't done that thing yet. Look, there's a reference to it. It tells me that I've already discussed it. And then I could go there. And then I can remove the discuss hashtag. Disgust. Disgusting. That's cool. Let me look at my examples. What else have I done? You could do this is basically just markdown, so you can do code blocks. Oops, look, it's loading. I don't know, whatever. Look at this, go. There, check that out. You can put code. Hello, Dominic. What else? I'm looking at my docs. Journal. I have names of games. You can link to articles. And then if you go to like the streaming page, let's say like streaming, and then I want to add more notes. Games to play, right? You could say, oh yeah, I should play Puyo Tetris 2. You could play Cult. Oh, look, I already mentioned Cult of the Lamb. And then I'm like, oh, I mentioned this. What did I say about this? Ah, yes, a lamb is a young sheep. Whoa. Rust? You don't know that I do Rust? I talk about it all the time. My new job that I'm starting on next Tuesday. Wait, not next Tuesday. 2 Tuesdays from now. I'm going to be writing Rust. That's cool. Okay, and then I could put a reference. I can make this a reference to lamb. Every time I say lamb. And click the page about lambs. Well, look, this is all the times I talk about lambs. There's other stuff. You can put attributes. So let's say on the page about lambs, right? You could say, similar to how I did... What did I do? Similar to how I did alias, right? You can rename pages. You could put whatever attributes you want. So you could say color blue. Let's say we have like a blue lamb for some reason. Right? And then we have like another page about car. Let's say we have a page about cars. This is my car that I have. Color blue. And then you can see you can filter things by color. Wait, you can't do that. How does this work? You can filter things. You could do a table. Color blue. Thing. Lamb. Let me go to the page of a car. Color blue. Thing. Car. This is like a obscure example that doesn't make sense. Let's go back to our test page. Let's update the query. Okay, we can query based on attribute. So color. What is it? What is the Logseq query attribute? Filter query for pages. Property. Yes, property. Property color. Yo, look at that. Okay, this is all the things that have colors. You have table view. Here's all my things that have colors. It's all a nice table for you. Look, these things are both blue. This is a lamb. A Lamborghini. Lamborghini, you know that? Congrats on your new job. Jab? Thank you. What else can you do? Oh yeah, you can do, hey, look at the graph. This is cool too. Once you start linking things, you get this nice graph about things. When you mention things on different pages. Like, oh yeah, when I talked about streaming, this is also related to Puyo Tetris 2. It's related to Cult of the Lamb. We got a lamb, which is related to a car somehow, because I put car on the page. I've linked the reference. And here's all the pages. You can find the backlinks. You can sort. Discuss. This has the most links to it. Anyway. Yeah, my inner New Yorker. Put New York. New page, New York. It's a place. Plants. It's a plant. It even makes conversational segues. True. Rainbow Road. You know what else is a thing? Rainbow Road. That's also a place that you go. And then you can nest them. It's a place that you go. You could nest this under it's a place that you go. And then in the Rainbow Road page, you can embed, what is it, the YouTube video? Rainbow. It is a road where it is. You guys remember this video? Don't play it. Don't play the video. Embed YouTube video. There it is. You have YouTube, you have Rainbow Road in your notes. You can see all the places I referenced Rainbow Road. It's on the New York page. Wow, just like Rainbow Road. It's a place that you go. And then you can say this is related to Mario. Related to Mario. The heck is Mario? Oh, Mario is he's a plumber. From Brooklyn. Which is, and then you go to Brooklyn and you're like, what the heck is Brooklyn? It's in New York. You click New York. Oh, look at that. It's a place that you go, just like Rainbow Road. What's that? It's related to Mario. Oh, he's from Brooklyn. It's from here. Whoa. Oh, look at that. Hello, Ryushimis. What? You're on YouTube. Yeah, Rainbow Road is in New York. Is literally in New York. Anyway, I recommend this app. There's different themes. I can't show it because wait, can I show it? You can't. Okay, I can. I should have been using dark themes this whole time. You can download themes. There's plugins. You can change the date format if you want. Let's say let's look at that. Oh shoot, I broke everything. No, it's there. Okay, never mind. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, look at that. We got it. You got themes. You got plugins. Settings. You can have keyboard shortcuts. You can have to-do apps. You can. There's also like time tracking. I don't even know what that is. Time tracking. I turned that off. You can have it auto commit to get. There's developer mode. Yeah, it has Twitter embeds. You can embed whatever you want. Look at our graph. We got Mario. Remember when we talked about Mario? Mario, New York. Mario, Rainbow Road, and Brooklyn. Okay, car though, we can see, look at our graph. We can relate things, right? Rainbow Road, car. It's similar to carts. Let's go to the car page. Okay, you know what else is you know what else has cars? You know? Mario Kart. Right, Mario Kart. You go to Mario Kart. Oh yeah, it's got Rainbow Road. Bam. Now cars are now related to Lamb. It's related to Lambs and Mario Kart and Mario. This is a contrived example, but you can see how it can be useful. See, my university professor had a similar tool. This is super helpful. Yeah, it's good. Completely revolutionized how I take notes. I have so many notes. Like, I used to hate taking notes. I would think about how to organize things. Now I'm just like, I can put whatever the heck I want in one page. And then it can do the organization for me. You can favorite pages. Let's say I want to favorite like the page about media. You can click this. Well, you can't really do. You can do this in the web app or the desktop app. If you right click in the browser, it just doesn't work. But you can favorite this. Here's all the pages. What else can you do? I showed to-dos, I showed tagging. You can link to things. You can do lists. Oh, that's it. I don't know what else. It's a conspiracy graph, yeah. What did we say about Bob? I don't know. Well, it's it. It's cool. It's very cool. I enjoy it. I have fun taking notes now. And now I can talk about it. Be like, look at this cool thing I learned. You can also have like a thing about like today I learned, right? Sometimes you're taking notes or like you're just watching a video and you're like, oh, I learned this thing today. Just make a tag for it. You say today I learned. If you have a hashtag that's multiple words, you can do it like this. Something. I did learn something today, actually. I can look at my tag. But you can do an alias, right, as I mentioned. So you can have a shortcut. And go back here. Whoops. Be like, today I learned. What did I learn today? Let me look at my real notes. I do have a today I learned tag in my real notes. What did I learn? I need to remember the hotkeys. How do I search things easily? Control O, Alt O. Today I learned setting -O pipe fail can cause programs that use okay, alright, I'm gonna copy this. Here. This is a real note from my real life. Right, okay, today I learned. I put hashtag programming and bash scripting. If you set in a bash script, if you set pipe fail, and you pipe the thing into this program, this thing returns the first line. It can fail because the input, it doesn't read all the input. And then you can just amass all this stuff. Be like, okay, look at all the things I learned throughout my days, and then you can see when you learned it. Got a graph view. I'm just going back and forth. I don't know. Is this still interesting? Am I still? No, I love it. I love this. Okay, all right. Yeah. Anyway, how are you guys doing? What do you guys do today? I should hydrate. It's been like an hour. I haven't hydrated yet. I'm gonna do that. Oh yeah, I guess I could re-enable the redeems. I disabled them because I was going to do fishing. Here, let me do that. Can you redeem things when the streamer's offline? I think you can, right? See, viewer rewards channel points. Manage rewards and challenges toggle. Okay, it's on. Okay. It's on, but I'm already already finished drinking. Okay, let me put it back on. This is for you guys. Yo, Cheggy, it's Cheggy channel. Welcome. I'm doing a TED talk about note taking. Yo, note taking. Here's my tweet. Anyway, yeah, it's Wednesday. What's going on? What's Wednesday? What is up with Wednesday? Topics to discuss. Let's look at my notes about topics to discuss. Oh yeah, my new workplace. Okay, I can cross this off the things to discuss list. So my new job, Yesterday they contacted me about setting up laptops and things like that. So obviously with the new job, they'll give you the laptop you want. They're like, this is the first company I've been to that they actually ask me what laptop I want. They're usually just like, here's a Mac, just use it. This one's like, we have 4 options for you. You can use like if you want to use Windows or Linux, we have think whatever the heck, XPS, Dell XPS something. If you want to use Mac, you have 3 options for Mac. You can have a MacBook Air. I recommend it because it's lightweight. You can, if you want to use a MacBook Pro, we have 2 options for you. We got the MacBook Pro 14-inch. We got the MacBook Pro 16-inch. It's like, oh man, this is options. And I was thinking like, I'm gonna use the 16 one. If I come in on my first day and they give me Mac, I'm quitting. What the heck, Adenchi? Pretty much every place I've been to, they use... Like, Mac is the superior programming option in most cases. It's like, I don't know. It's good if you do backend software development. It's more like, it's closer to Linux/Unix. But hey, if you wanted to use Windows, they got a separate laptop. Let's see, is it a subscription service? Oh no, Logseq is free. It's totally free. I think they're planning on doing like a premium version with other stuff, but it's free right now. Also, the advantage of this is just plain markdown files. Right, I can't show this on here because it's in the browser, but it's just regular files. There's no like proprietary format. You can use this with Obsidian if you want, actually. There's some people that use Logseq and Obsidian because they both work on regular markdown files. So you import this as an Obsidian vault as well as a Logseq graph, and then just do it. It's cool. I told my company I need an M1 for my Docker and Java stuff. Yeah, all the options that they had at my company, my new company. It's the new M1 MacBooks. It's just cool. M1 Pro or whatever. I don't even know. I'd never used any of them. I'm not sure. See, I worked at a couple jobs that were Mac by default and I never got used to them. That's how I first felt when I first started using Mac at jobs. We were all like fresh out of college and we'd all been using Windows or Linux the whole time. And when they gave us Macs, we're like, what the heck is this? I don't know how to use any of this stuff. And then I got used to it, right? Mac, it's like easy to understand how to use a Mac, usually. It took like a week, maybe. But that's cool. We'll get it next month. Nice. Very nice. I tried it for a bit, couldn't get used to it. Well, maybe you need to try for a longer period of time. I have one to build for iOS/Mac. Yeah, it's annoying that Apple makes you buy like a Mac device to build stuff for it. It's like, if you're not on Linux, you can build stuff targeting Linux, like on a Windows machine or a Mac machine. For like, if you're making Mac/iOS software, you basically have to have the hardware. It's stupid. I don't know, they get away with it because they're Apple. Yeah, every time, like back when Denchi was developing stuff and he would ask me like to check some API thing, I was like, oh look, but you didn't build the beta for Mac. And it's like, okay, fine, I'm gonna go publish it for Mac. It's like, okay, thank you. Now I can try it, and then it crashes. I'm like, oh shoot. Dang. I still need to update my library for the newest VTube Studio. It takes forever. Maybe you need an M1. I heard the M1 Macs are fast. I don't know. It's also super expensive. Windows also requires code signing. I guess it depends on where you want to publish it, right? I don't know. Like, do you need to code sign it to be on the official Windows store, or like if you just randomly install something from GitHub, you don't need to sign it, right? I think for Mac, if you just randomly put something on GitHub, like Apple makes it hard to install it. Right? Regular users, you can't just double click it. You have to like right click it and then choose open, and then it'll allow you to do it. Not for Steam. Yeah, you don't have to. It probably depends where you want to distribute it. What if you want to distribute it on the Epic Game Store? You could do that. You could do that. Yeah, what if you add VTube Studio to the Epic Game Store? Yo. You wouldn't do that. Get it on the same platform as Fortnite. macOS, you need to notarize build. Yeah, we talked about this a while back with Toaster. Toaster's familiar because arcade developer. It seems really annoying. I don't know. I'm glad I don't have to do it. I just write things and then they build. And then... Oh yeah, since I'm showing you my browser, I can show you my my end screen, or the thing that I programmed to. Let's see, GitHub/Walfie. The thing that I programmed this past weekend to create my end screen is National Today. This is a JSON file. It just shows you what holidays today is. What the heck? This is what it looks like in Firefox? Okay. Here's National Today. Here's the whole thing. It's one script. You have a GitHub action to update it. Let me show you the script. Let me read chat first. It's hard to read this chat on like a white background. I'm still flabbergasted how backwoods gaming on Mac is. Even Linux is way better. Yeah, Windows. Yeah. Gaming on Linux is so much better than on Mac because Mac refuses to implement like, I don't know, Vulkan or something. Mac has its own proprietary like thing. It sucks. It sucks. Okay, well, here's the script. Here's the whole thing. Okay, let me show you the website. nationaltoday.com /whatistoday. This is the website I always go on to check what today is for my raid message. And I'm just like, oh, they don't have an API. I'm gonna like have to scrape the page. It ended up being very simple. So look at this. Here's what I do. That's what I do. Bash script. Set pipe fail. I create a temporary file to save the output to. Here's a cleanup. In case anything fails, I just remove the input file. So I curl, I get the HTML into the input file. And then there's a program called pup. Pup. Pup is a command line HTML scraper. You can tell it to do things. You pipe text into it. You pass pup a bunch of flags. You give it the selectors. So here's their example. You get Wikipedia. You save it to an HTML file. And then you can just run it. There's a bunch of bad looking HTML. You look for title. It gives you this HTML output. It's nice. Not Rice. Rice? Yeah, not Rust. Because Rust is a compiled language. I don't need something complex for this. This is pretty simple. Anyway, you have pup. I'm going to extract the month from this file. And then here's the CSS selector. NTDB National Day. Text will output it as text. And then I convert it to... Oh, this is what I'm extracting. If you go on the web page, if you look at this thing that says August and then 24th, you can inspect the element. I don't use Firefox, so I'm not used to this this layout. What is this? Okay. Here's the class name, right? ntdb.holiday.day. It gives you Aug and 24. August 24th. Right. ntdb August day. This is the August text. I put the input into it. I use tr to convert the uppercase to lowercase because I want to normalize this. And then I get the first one. I used sed here based on my note from before. Remember my note in Logseq? This is where the note is from. I was using head-n1 to get the first line, but it kept failing in GitHub Actions because it turns out setting pipe fail causes it to fail because it doesn't read the whole output. So I switched to using sed, and then either sed. And get the first line, because there can be multiple of them, right? Look at the page. Every one of these entries has the same thing. So I just want the first one. I extract aug and 24. And there's the day. Now it's in a variable. And then I make the output day.json. So it'll be like public / let's see, let's look at the public directory. We have the month aug for August. We have the different days that have been scraped so far. And then I have a symlink, today.json. That's today. It'll symlink you to August 24th because that's today. And then let's go back here. I make the output directory if it doesn't exist. And then I parse the actual days, or the actual days holidays. So there's a title box, which is, let's see, what is title box? This thing. I extract the title box, and then inside that has this thing that's the actual day, and then this is the summary. So I go here. I get the title box that's not the holiday date, and then I output it as JSON. And then I use JQ to parse. I have the output have the month and the day, and then here's the holidays. I map over the child elements, and then I get a bunch of stuff. And then I just put a symlink, and then I echo the name of the output file. Hello, Ice Croco. I want to ask whoever owns the website to change the structure. Yeah, one day they're going to change the structure and then it's going to break. And then I'm going to have to fix it. There's like someone else had a scraper for this, but it didn't have cores enabled. So I couldn't use it in the browser. Oh, whoa, what's this? Anyway, so then it runs. It creates these files. So if you look at today, the 24th, look, here's what I extracted. Aug 24, holidays array. Yeah, it's National Waffle Day. Today's National Waffle Day. And then if you look at how this runs in GitHub, I'm using GitHub Actions, and it has a update that runs every 12 hours, midnight and noon for whatever reason. And what it does, it checks out the repo. It sets it to the GitHub Actions bot user. It downloads pup from the official GitHub release. It extracts it and then add it to the path. And then I run the script to get the output. I delete the pup. The pup is gone, removed. If anything has changed, git add and then push it. And then once that's done, you do GitHub Actions release, GitHub Pages. You will publish the public directory to GitHub Pages. And here it is. If you look at the GitHub Pages branch. What? Oh, right, because I'm in a different directory. Go to GitHub Pages. And here's the output. It just writes it for you. Today.json has today's date. It's Kobe Bryant Day. International Strange Music Day. No, yeah, the pup is gone. Does GitHub Actions cost money? It doesn't. Yeah, it's free. I think it costs money if you have a private repo. You have like a certain number of executors that you're allowed to use in private repos. If you exceed that, you have to pay money. But for public projects, it's free, which is like extremely generous. It's like surprising. People can just run whatever the heck they want. So yeah, that's this. It runs every 12 hours. So if you look at the history, I added a bunch of stuff. I ran it. And then like every day, it'll just give you the commit. You click it and you're like, oh, what is on the 23rd? It's it's National Bow Day. It's very cool. It used to be a lot more forgiving, but then people started mining Bitcoin. Yeah. Yeah, that's what happens. Oh yeah, I have the I also have with GitHub Actions, I have the Nijisanji generator thing. So Nijisanji EN, they have their pinned tweets on Twitter. And can I show this on Twitter? On YouTube? I probably should have checked. Their thumbnails are a bit spicy. Basically, this thing does the same thing. I have a GitHub action. Every day it will scrape their pinned tweets from this program that I wrote, Twitter pinned. And then it updates the GitHub page. Here's all the, is it public? I just have all of their user IDs and names here. And then like every hour this thing will run. You can check all the actions. Look, it failed like 10 times. It succeeded a few times though. I think Twitter's probably like, they probably don't want people to scrape their website. I'm not using their official API. So they probably don't want people doing that. They probably have banned some GitHub Actions pages. I didn't say that. No, this is not me. Someone else wrote this. It's not me, Twitter. Don't ban me. Yeah, someone else wrote this thing. It scrapes Twitter. Whoa, why would they do that? Why would someone do this to Twitter? Why would they not just use their official API? What the heck? Yeah, so that's what I use. It's cool. Would recommend using GitHub Actions. So every day I don't have to go to the website. National Today probably won't like me scraping their website, but other people do it. Other people do it. There was like another API that did it. Actually, I have it in my notes, in my Logseq notes. I took notes about this. I said, "Oh, look at this. Here's an API that exists. National API Day." Look, okay, so this API exists, right? It gives you holidays in a nice format. But the guy didn't enable cores, so I can't use it. It's also missing some holidays. It's missing some days. Other people do, yeah, that's how it works. Other people do it. You can't blame me for it. Here, we can have a section for quotes. Quotes. It's fine. Other people do it. There. Now, every time I do a quote, you can say like, oh yeah, what did I say? Here, this is a quote from Denchi. Other people do it, so it's okay. This is a quote, this is, you said this in Twitch chat. Right, and then you can be like, what are all the quotes that Denchi said? Click on Denchi. There's Denchi. Denchi created VTube Studio. You click on VTube Studio. Related entities. Akari VTube Studio. You got there's a dog dog in a bowl. There's cats. You'd be like, oh, when did I talk about cats? Wow. Cats. Denchi __. So that's the cool thing. You can, this is not exactly your Twitch username. This is just Denchi as an entity. You could say alias. that up. Denchi with 2 underscores. This is one thing, like I have notes in WordPress, not notes, like I have a blog, private blog in WordPress. Sometimes I refer to people different ways, like I refer to them by their username or like their name. But then like I can't join the tags, it's annoying. In this system, you can say these things are the same thing. If I ever say Denchi with 2 underscores, it's the same as Denchi without an underscore. You can do like, you have multiple aliases. Right, I could say VTube Studio is also known as VTS. Yo, is that BTS? No, it's VTS. So every time I say VTS, I can just, and look at that, we have the linked reference. You're like, what's VTube Studio? Oh yeah, I mentioned VTube Studio on Denchi's page. I click on Denchi. Wow, BTS. I have a note. BTS. BTS. It's a group from Korea. K-pop. K-pop. It's a K-pop group. Well, K-pop implies it's from Korea, so I don't need to do this. And then in the K-pop page, say stands for Korean pop music. Can there be 2 things with the same alias? Two different things with the same alias? I don't think so. I don't think you can do that. Can you alias BTS to VTS? I mean, I guess then they're the same page. Wait, they can't. Okay. I don't know how it apparently you can. You can have an alias that is an alias. VTS is different from BTS. But it's not, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know how it handles it. Maybe they didn't consider this case. Also, it doesn't make sense to do it. Oh well. I delete this. And look, if you want a page with quotes, just go to quotes. If you want to structure this more, right, you can have inline attributes. So like, instead of doing it this way, like I did here, you can say like, person, Walfie, quote. I do like this. Oh yeah, I didn't mention templates. You can do templates in here as well. Okay, let me show that to you. After this. Oops. Oh yeah, you want to make this linkable. Here. Now you can click on this. If you want like a list of quotes, here it is. But if you want like a nicer like query, you can do Nope. Wait, I don't know. How do I do this? Quotes, quotes, properties, whatever. We're gonna show you templates. Look, here's templates. Wait, I didn't make one. Templates. New page, templates. So if you have something that you type a lot, let's say like every time you do a journal, you want to have like a streamed page, streamed hams. You want to have quotes or thoughts, work, whatever, right? Let's say it's no longer the 25th, but now it's like the 20, let's say it's the 28th, right? Let's go to the 28th. It's Sunday. Where's it? You're like, oh, it's a new day. I'm gonna make a new format. Just do /template. Template. Press enter. It gives you. Oh, I didn't add it as a template. Okay. As the first item in here, you nest it under the template that you want it to be. And then this, you just call it a template. You can also right click this in the desktop app, but I can't do that here because it's the browser. You can do a template daily, or name it whatever you want. And then if you go to Sunday and you do /template, sorry, /template, there's your daily template. You click it, it'll pre-populate it for you. Isn't that cool? You can format the template so that it doesn't get nested, or I forget how to do it, but you can do it. You can have it not create this thing. And it's cool. It's very cool. And now you can say, it's Sunday. I'm somehow at work. You can say, okay, every time I went to work, here's all the references to work. I worked on August 24th. I did a presentation. Nice. And now look at our graph. Look at our graph now. We got Denchi. Denchi __ related to Denchi without the underscores. We got VTube Studio. What else can we relate? Lamb. Cars. Rainbow Road. Remember when we talked about Rainbow Road? Oh, look at that. The video is still there. It's related to Mario. Mario, remember him? He's from Brooklyn. He's a plumber from Brooklyn. Brooklyn's in New York. New York? What's in New York? It's a place that you go, just like Rainbow Road. This is how you make your own knowledge graph. Everyone, it's very cool. I hope I convince you to use this app. Hashtag ad. This is not a paid sponsorship. Some of those pages look like they could get pretty long. Have I run into performance issues? So far, no. The downside is that it is an Electron app, which kind of sucks. But it's been smooth so far. These are also just regular markdown files. If you wanted to process them yourself, you could do so. But actually, every day, you see here, this one, August 23rd and August 24th. These are actually stored as different files. So it's not like one big journals page with all of your journals on them. These are stored as separate files. So every day you get a new file, it's a markdown file. Put whatever the heck you want in it. And it's nice. I don't know, I think this is going to be useful. I have like a blog that I write about stuff that happened, and then I can look back like 10 years ago and be like, oh yeah, what was I doing 10 years ago? This thing. I was like, oh, that's cool. But I think with this, I can make more detailed notes. I can more easily link to different concepts. Kind of aliases. Like sometimes, you know, like sometimes you use like, you use plurals or singulars, right? Let's say like you think of something cool and you're like, oh, life hack, hashtag life hack. In some places you do like hashtag life hacks. And then when you click them, they're like different things. You're like, what the heck is this? Well, just make them the same thing. I love it. It's so good. And now they go to the same place. I'll be honest, if I was using something like this, I'd be spending more time obsessing about sorting notes than actually using them. Probably. It's fun. It makes note-taking fun. Well, you don't have to, like, the thing about this, you just write whatever the heck you want. It does the organization for you. Like, you don't have to think like, oh yeah, I might mention Bob again, so let me just surround it with double brackets. Just do that for every concept. You're just like, oh yeah, this is about... I guess like if you want to have stuff like this, /hashtag programming, hashtag bash, you might be thinking like, oh yeah, I might want to refer to this in the future. That's one thing. Also, how to structure these headings. You don't have to do this. You could just like put media in here. Or you could go after the fact. You can revise your notes if you want. Yeah, that's sort of the concept behind my tweet though. I'm gonna be so good at taking notes. I'm gonna not get anything done because I'm busy taking notes. No, not like that. You wouldn't say the. You might say store, but you might want to say which store. Imagine magnifying glass enables full text search. Oh yeah, you can just search. You don't have to have it get tagged. You want to search for like what's something I didn't tag? Young. I didn't tag the word young. Right, if I just want to do full text search. Just look there. I didn't even tag it. I can search it. And then if I think, oh yeah, I might want to tag this. You just do it. If I want to tag place. Place. I liked my own tweet. No, this is just how the embed looks. As you might notice, the reply button is also blue. I didn't reply to it. That's just how it shows up in Twitter embeds. The is a grammatical article in English denoting persons or things. Yeah, let's find out. Did I use the word the anywhere? Cult of the Lamb. These are notes. This is the next day. Yeah, if you wanted to turn this into a thing, you want to like categorize everything, you could do that. The. I'm gonna put a quote from Hamflow. Let's see. Let's go on Twitch. Let's copy his words. Stop saying it's pushing the text up. Okay. The is a grammatical. Okay, this is a quote by Denchi, not Denchi, Hamflow. Hamflow said this. And you can say when he said this. You can be like, oh yeah, he said this on what's today, the 24th. He said this. You can go back. What else did I do on this day? Oh look, here's all my notes. Wait, this is wrong. Oh yeah, because this is local, or this is in the browser. Typically when you change the date format, you have to like reload. But I didn't do that. So I messed everything up. I messed everything up. I broke everything. What the heck? That's how you do it. Anyway, whatever, that's fine. Let's go back to GraphView. Oh yeah, in GraphView you can set if you want to show your journals or not. Here's all my journals. These notes are useless. No. You can play it. There's like a squid. Look at this squid game. Wait, when does Splatoon 3 come out? September. Oh, that's I thought that was okay. It's next month. I thought it was like this week. Never mind. It's not this week. But look, I talked about Splatoon somewhere. Search for it. I didn't talk about Splatoon. I thought I talked about Splatoon. Oh god, I broke everything. You're not really meant to use this in the browser. Did I watch Squid Game? I did not. I don't know much about it. It's like a death game or something. They got a thing. Oh, the demo is tomorrow. Okay. I see. That's what people were talking about. 2 weeks from Friday. Yo, that's let's see, 2 weeks. Yeah, September 9th. That's the week that I start my new job. That's fun. Have a good time. Mario. It's related to Nintendo. You know what else is in Nintendo? Squid Game. Mario. 3DS. Wait, the demo's tomorrow? I can stream it tomorrow. It's like one of those limited time demos or something when they're like, oh yeah, you can play this for a day. We're testing the servers. Splatoon 3 demo. Select local region for Splatfest demo. When is it? This lets you preload the game. Free download. It starts August 27th. Wait, 27th? Oh, there's a tutorial. Okay, I see. 25th has a tutorial. It's just the tutorial though. And then on the 27th, okay, the 27th, Saturday, they have Turf War. 4v2v2, what? It's not 4v4, it's 4v2v2. It's not even like 2v2v2. One team has 4 people. How is that going to be balanced? What's up with that? I have no idea how that's going to work. I guess we'll find out. What is it? Splatoon? Splatoon. Let's go to Squid Game. Alias. Splatoon. Okay, it comes out on a demo on date picker tomorrow. We got Splatfest on the 27th. Third party. Yeah, Nintendo's doing third party software. Welp. That's gonna be fun. We'll try it. Actually, when does it take place? Okay, the demo. You can do the tutorial tomorrow. And then 12 hours. 9 a.m. So that'll be, let's see, Pacific time. So starting noon until 9 p.m. Eastern time. I could do a stream on Saturday with this. Oh, I see. Wait, this is wait, August 27th, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Okay, this is until like 6 p.m. Eastern time. Oh, we can do both things, right? When I typically start my streams at like 5 p.m. Eastern. So from 5 p.m. until 6 p.m. we can do regular Splatfest, and then from 6 p.m. until 7:30 we can do the tricolor. Yo, that's cool. Can you create reminders? I don't usually do reminders, but maybe there might be some plugin for it. Let me look it up. What is it called? Logseq reminders. Plugin to make reminders. You can do queries. Look at these people writing complex queries. You treat your to-do list as data. That's cool. I like that. Yeah, you can write a query if you want, but I don't think there's like a notification system that like notifies you that this thing is due. Okay, look, this guy is like a thing that says today. Look at what the heck is this? People be coding in their note-taking app. It's cool that you can do this though, right? Right, if you structure your data, or you don't even have to structure it, just like do a query, you can find whatever you want. Yeah, I was using Obsidian, and I was just like, okay, whatever, this is fine. I'll just put my to-do list in here, I'll put like ideas for games to play. And then I found Logseq. Like, I have an idea for a game to play. I'll just put it here. Splatoon 3 demo. Games to play. You click it. Now you have a reference to all the games you want to play. And when you add it. I love the people that spend 99% of their free time optimizing their to-do list. Look, there's whole industries for writing to-do lists. Have you seen every like JavaScript framework? JavaScript to-do list. Everyone writes to-do list. To-do MVC. React. Look, people be writing to-do lists in everything, every language, every single freaking language. Oh, how do I write a to-do list in what the heck is GWT? Look, they wrote this to-do list in GWT. Splatoon 3. Splatfest. They want to do it in Duel? What the heck is Duel? Okay. Splatoon. Yeah. You want to do real time? You want to do a real time streaming to-do list? Socket stream? Splatoon. How do I tell that this is real time though? What is it? Look, it's not even secure. Look, it's not even secure. Hello, Ivanovsky. I'm doing okay. Polymer is still a thing? I don't know. Yeah, that is old. Isn't that like HTML elements? Where's Polymer? Gopher, Humble plus Gopher. I've never even, it doesn't even exist. There's so many JavaScript frameworks. Scala? Where's the Rust? Is there Rust? No. You? No. Yeah, before web components. That's a thing. I remember. I'm not even a front-end dev. I know this stuff. As a reagent. Closure script. Anyway, yes, a lot of people spend a lot of time on to-do lists. There's a whole industry around to-do lists. There's also flashcards. I don't plan on using Logseq for flashcards, but you can do that. Add hashtag card to any block to turn it into a card. Okay, let's try that. What is the card? Give me something. Give me something to learn. Hello. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Card. It does do flashcards. You can export to Anki. Okay, look, here's cards. Flashcards. You can do closes. What is it? How do you do a close? C-L-O-Z-E. You do close 3. See, then it hides it from you. It hides it from you. You go to your flashcards page. Like, oh, I want to review. What the heck is 1 plus 1 and 1 plus 2? Oh no, I don't know. Let me click it. Oh, it's 3. Okay, I did that. Oh yeah, this is Anki. Yes, I did remember it correctly. It's true. I've reviewed all of my cards. Yeah, if you want to do flashcards, this app, you can do them in this app. I think an issue with Anki is that you don't know like the context behind when you added stuff. You're just adding stuff all the time. In this one, you can have context. You're like, oh yeah, I was talking about Splatoon. Splatoon, it has 3 players. And then you're like, oh, you know what this reminds me of? Math. I do. 1 plus 2. You can refer to it. There, right there. It's cool. I didn't think JavaScript is still a thing. I don't know about JavaScript bringing you Everything is written in JavaScript. If you're using a web browser, everything's written in JavaScript. Everything compiles to JavaScript. I mean, WebAssembly is a thing, but they still need JavaScript to do the glue code. Yo, Logseq is back with the letter A in his name. And no longer Logseq on YouTube. Alright, what other flashcards are we doing? Let's see, let's go to the Mario page, right? The main villain in Mario games is close Bowser. It's Bowser. Let's review that. You guys know I didn't put hashtag card. Now we have a flashcard. Who the heck is this main villain? Oh yes, it's Bowser. I forgot this. And then it'll bring it up again. Java is definitely still a thing. Java will never go away. It's always going to be here. You'll be gone, and then suddenly you'll remember Java. Dang ol' Java. Yeah, there's Java and then there's JavaScript. They're like totally different. I can be like, actually JavaScript is ECMAScript. It's actually ECMAScript. Let's go to our journals. JavaScript is the same. ECMAScript. Actually, you know, JavaScript. Actually, is the S in JavaScript capitalized? I think it is. Yeah, the S in JavaScript is capitalized. I don't see anyone that does that, but there it is. ECMAScript. You guys know ECMAScript? ECMAScript sounds like a D's Nuts joke setup. It's ECMA. ECMAScript. Got Mail Bowsette. Well, we had fun here. EGMA. Egg. Look, remember when we talked about Hamflow, when Hamflow said the word the? We have a reference to it right here. Hashtag quotes. Look at all our quotes. We had fun here because the stream is almost over. It's almost over. Here's the table view. Yeah, your best quote, the. When he said, remember when he said the? We have a whole page about it. Wow. Can old Flash games be brought back using Java or JavaScript? Yeah, there's a page for it. I think the Internet Archive exists. I should hydrate. When was the last time I hydrated? I should have made a note. I wasn't even taking notes. Hydration. How do I know? When did I time? Is there time? Oh, current time. Look at that. You can embed the current time. I didn't even know you could do that. Whoa. Okay. That's cool. You can just type slash. It'll tell you a bunch of stuff you can do. Current time, date picker, to-do lists. Querying. Zotero. That's for taking notes or something. That's for referencing things. A calculator? What? What the heck? You can just use a calculator? Hold on, you can't see this, but it says 3 on the right here. It says 3. Here. You can use a calculator in this game. In this game? Sorry, in this Alright, I was gonna hydrate. Alright. I'll keep the water on until Okay, what else do they have? They have like they have a calculator. They got what else they have? Query table, calculator, draw? Wait, hold on. What was that? Draw? What? You can just make notes right in here. What is this? A Logseq. Right, it's called the title is called hydration. Logseq, log seq. Does it support LaTeX? I think it does. Look, you know I'm real because I pronounce it right. I think there's probably a plugin for it. Or maybe not. Maybe not. But they could. Oh, it's already type $$, wait. Oh shoot. Holy frick. It does, okay, it does. I guess it does. Just type $, holler to get dollar. What is some what? Math. Let's try this. I didn't know this. Okay, that's cool. Shoot. I don't know how to do this. $, $. Does this support multi-line? I don't think it okay, maybe that doesn't work. What is a shorter example? Inline math, begin quote in physics. Okay, let's do E equals MC squared. It only works for equations? Okay. Oh, okay. I don't know how this works. You can tell I don't use LaTeX. Okay, but okay, yeah, that works. The equation works. Can you try putting some fancy tick the graph? I don't know what that is. Oh, it's a thing. I think this requires a package. I don't know if this works. I don't think this works. Oh, I see. The backslash is equivalent. I see. It probably doesn't support this. Well, maybe it does. Oh, you have to load a package. Math mode? Yeah, it's math mode. It's cool though. Begin math, end math. Use the backslashes. Let's try square root. Let me do square root. Does this work? Oh, look at that. Oh, you got math. You can do math in this. What else they have? I didn't know they had this. Let's see. You can draw, embed HTML. You can put arbitrary HTML in here. Embed YouTube, Vimeo. Remember Vimeo? Cards, close, calculator. I did calculator. Yeah, they don't even have the LaTeX on here. It's like a hidden feature for power users. Geo, you can use. Oh, look, we can see all the things I learned today. I put that in the hydration page for some reason. Yeah, only I had this. This is so good, right? I forget. I didn't notice I still had the water. Yeah. So we had fun here. It's past tense because the stream is now over. It's about to be over. Alright, let's see what today is. Oh, I already know what today is. National... Wait, we can't even raid. Holy frick, we can't raid. Wait, can you guys go on my Twitch and just be in the channel and then we can raid? We can do an offline raid. Here, go. Here, go there. We're gonna do a raid. Let's do a raid. Okay. Oh, I don't have... Wait, oh, shoot. YouTube chat is on here, too. Okay. National Waffle Day. Yes, National Waffle Day raid, I think, probably. Let's see... National Knife Day? National Scam Artist Day? St. Bartholomew. Who... Yeah, you're gonna ask who made it? Yeah, I know. I knew you were gonna do that. Karagi_channel. Okay, let's see who to raid. National Waffle Day. Wait, I'm gonna do this on Twitch. National Waffle Day raid. Let's see who to raid. Who have I not raided? Bunch of people. Wait, what is Splatoon 3 is out right now? Wait, didn't it say tomorrow? Oh, probably GMT, right? I don't know. I have to sit through an ad. Frick. Okay, let me sit through an ad for you guys. I'm gonna wait. I think when I'm offline, I can't even tell, like, how many people are here. Okay, well. As soon as this ad completes, I'm gonna see if, it's actually streaming. Versus, is he actually even streaming? Okay, Splatoon 3, you can watch Raibuka. You can raid. You can raid when you're offline. Look, we're raiding. We're going. We got 8 viewers. We got 10 viewers. I'm not even streaming. I'm not even streaming. Okay, well, he's playing the Splatoon 3 demo. You can check it out. I just saw an Among Us on his screen. Someone drew an Among Us. Amogus. Alright. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully I convinced at least one person to try out Logseq. It's so good. You're gonna love taking notes. You're gonna spend all your time taking notes and then not enough time actually doing anything useful. But look, everything will be documented so well. Yeah, Among Us. I've already downloaded it. Good. They have an Android app in beta. So that's cool. I don't know what to take notes of. Just take notes of whatever. Just write notes about your day, and then you can link the concepts later. Oh yeah, right. I was streaming on YouTube. I forgot. I have Twitch chat and YouTube chat. Okay, the raid on Twitch is gonna go, so I'm gonna end very soon. Alright, YouTube, you're still here because I haven't ended the stream. Okay, Twitch, you're probably still here. People that have had this tab open.